Hi, and welcome to the Pensacola State College Library website. Today we're going to show you the basics of finding and downloading ebooks from the library's catalog. To begin, we always recommend that you log into your account. From the library's homepage at pensacolaState.edu/library, click on the Log into My Account button. You'll be asked to enter your borrower ID and PIN or password. Your borrower ID is your library card number beginning with 25101. It's a 14-digit number found at the bottom of your student ID or in your spyglass underneath FLA State Library card number. Your PIN or password will be the last 4 digits of your social security number. Students can also log in using Canvas. In most courses, on the left side of the page, along with your syllabus, modules, grades, there should be the PSC Library button. When you click on that, you'll be given one more link that says Launch Pensacola State College. This will automatically log you into library's resources. If you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the library's catalog, and your name will appear here in the top left-hand corner. This means that you have full access to our online resources, and you can search for everything within our catalog. Let's start with something like renewable energy. After your search, you'll be given your results. We're dealing with about 2 million things right now, so let's narrow that down a bit. There are a couple ways that you can do this. At the very top of the page, you have a couple tabs. The Books tab will show you all the physical items and ebooks that you can download. The Articles tab will show you all the online resources from academic journals and newspapers and even online video. Course reserves are going to be reserves that we have available within the library. Let's just click on the Books tab to show off all the physical items we can check out and all of our ebook collection. Now we're down to about 350 items, but let's narrow this down further to just our ebook collection. On the left-hand side of the page, we can filter our results by. We can choose a location of where this item might be. Pensacola, Pensacola means it's a physical item on our Pensacola campus. Pensacola, Milton means it's a physical item on our Milton campus. And Pensacola, Warrenton is located on the Warrenton campus. Our e-resources are going to be all of our ebooks. Now that we're down to about 60 materials, we can start to sort through these to find the ebook that we're looking for. We know that these are ebooks too by checking this indicator. From here, it's just finding a title that looks interesting to you. Why don't we choose this item to see what this is? When you click on the title, you'll get what's called a bibliographic or summary page for the item. This will give you a little summary of what this material is about and tell you some of the contents within this item. After you've read through this and you decide that yes, this is the material that you want to work with, we give you a link at the very top that you can actually view this ebook. Choose Pensacola, click here to view this ebook. If you've logged in, you'll be routed towards this page. This will give you a little bit more detail on the material, and now you can actually download the ebook. On the left-hand side of the page, there's a PDF that you can view the material in your browser. From here, you can view the ebook in its entirety or choose a chapter that you'd like to read specifically. We've also given you a couple tools at the top where you can save pages, email certain pages to yourself, or even print certain pages from the book, with restrictions from the publisher. Back on the summary page, you have a couple other options too. Some ebooks will give you a chance to download the full ebook to a tablet, e-reader, or your phone by using the full download button. However, in order to use this, you will need to create a EBSCOhost account. We recommend that you use your PSC credentials for this. After creating your account, you'll have the option to download a PDF for your desktop, or you can download an EPUB that's better for mobile devices. Those are the basics for downloading ebooks from the library. If you ever run into any issues or need to speak with a librarian, we're always available to help by email, phone, or in person. To find out more, you can click on the Ask Us button from our library's homepage.